Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me Android device, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your any Android device faster. Cool. First, let's start with the question of why your phone is slow. Basically, it's because your phone can't handle the load you have put on it. So this is easier because the phone is not powerful enough to do what you want it to do, or because you are not taking good care of it. So you should always understand that every device is designed to perform a certain amount of tasks with a certain dynamic, and not every phone can give you the opportunity to work on it smoothly at high dynamic of use, and even with heavy tasks, of course. But despite the above, if you follow the instructions I am about to give you, you will be able to keep your device always in good condition so that it works at its best. Okay, first aspect is memory. The onboard memory of a device is a limited resource. Often the winner is the one who invests in the device with more built-in memory, and the whole point is that device with full built-in memory begin to slow down. It's always a good idea not to fill the built-in storage more than 70% of full. So the first step to speed up your device is to free up your memory. Okay, so in order to free up space in your internal memory, you can delete unused applications, or for example upload all your photos and videos to the cloud storage. For example, if you want to delete your apps, you need to open your settings application, then find here apps. Here choose see all apps, and here you will see all your applications. Here you can see how much memory every app is using. For example, as you can see, I can delete Chrome, but as you can see, my Chrome has 46% of weight, 46 megabytes. It's not a lot, but try to find the app. For example, WhatsApp. As you can see, it's a heavy app, and if you want to uninstall it, just click uninstall, or of course you can clean the memory of this application. Just click on storage. You can just click storage or click cache of this device. If you will clean storage, for example, as you can see now, my WhatsApp use 81 megabytes of my storage. So you can do it with any application to free up your memory. But of course, if you will free up memory of, for example, Messenger or WhatsApp application, you will be lost your data of these applications. So I suggest you clean memory of applications only for Google applications, only for Facebook, for example. As you can see, I have 700 megabytes, so now I have 300 of megabytes, and that's it. Of course, you can delete applications, and you can delete your photos and videos from your device. For example, as you can see, I have no photos and videos. Oh, I have photos and videos on my device. Okay, and if you want to free up your memory, you can just only upload your photos and videos to your cloud storage. If you have Android device, but this video for Android devices only. If you have Android device, you can upload your photos and videos to Google storage. For example, your Google account gives you 50 gigabytes memory for free, so you can use the photos app to free up 15 gigabytes of your phone's memory. Mega Drive gives you 50 gigabytes of memory. So I suggest you try Mega Drive and Google Drive too. So for example, find Photos applications, and if you want to upload your photos and videos to Google Cloud, just click on the icons right top corner of your screen and click Turn on Backup. Turn on Backup. Wait a while for backing up, and then just free up space to delete photos and videos uploaded on your cloud from your device. So just click free up 45 megabytes in my case, and cool, my photos and videos are on in the cloud storage, but it's not consumes memory on my device. Okay, great. Now you will be able to clear your device storage space after all the photos and videos has been uploaded, and cool. Second aspect that can negatively affect the speed of your device is the lack of RAM. All the processor is running at the moment are running in RAM. All the applications that are running at the moment are also running in RAM. So here again, the winner is the one who bought a device with more temporary storage. So the RAM can be freed by unloading the running application or by disabling the background work of the applications. So in order to unload the memory of running application, just swipe your finger up if you have guest control on your device, or click on square button, and here you will see all applications in your RAM memory. So if you want to unload any app from your RAM, just swipe it. On any Android device you can do it in another way. For example, on Huawei device you can do it by swiping up. Here you will see your all applications, and here you can unload applications from your RAM memory. And in using this method you can free up your RAM. Of course you can delete applications that consumes a lot of RAM. You can you can lock permissions for applications to run on background, and it will free up your RAM too. Okay, and third aspect that slow down your device is the files that are left over from running apps. Applications in the Android operating system leaving behind a lot of junk and unnecessary files that are not noticeable to the average user of the device. In order to clean these files, you will need a special program which will detect these files. I advise you to use Deep Cleaner application because it doesn't take up memory space and works only when you run it, and it's application completely free and ads free. So just find on your App Store, on your Play Store, this application, and here you will see a really simple interface. Then Junk Clean button cleans garbage from your phone, and the Phone Booster button free up space in your RAM. So click on Junk Clean. For the latest Android systems, the management permission. Okay, just clean, wait a while, scanning temporary files, scanning a junk, started clean, and as you can see, junk file cleaner cleans 100 of megabytes junk files. You can use Phone Booster to clean your RAM memory, and as you can see, 2 gigabytes of RAM memory was successfully cleaned up. And cool. Sometimes if you have an Android device with the UI, you can have the performance mode on your device. I don't have it on my Nokia device, but I have it on my Huawei device. So fourth aspect to speed up your device, it's enabling of power mode, of performance mode. So just open your settings application, and in battery you will have performance mode. You will have it on Huawei devices, on Honor devices, on Samsung flagship devices. You will have it in Realme devices. In Realme devices you will have GT mode, it's performance mode. So you will have it on OnePlus devices and sometimes in Xiaomi devices. So just enable performance mode, and of course on performance mode consumes your battery life, but performance mode will make your device faster. So okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.